Hello, I'm Knoell. I'm a homeopath with Knoell Integral Health, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take Camphora 200. This is a remedy I recommend to almost all my clients when they first come to me and opening up a case, and lots of the time they are confused on what I mean when I say just take one dose, one day of Camphora and why it's needed. So as usual, I'm not a medical professional and any advice should be taken at your own risk. Okay, why I recommend Camphora 200 is it gives the body a general cleanse, a little detox, I guess, prepares the body to accept the rest of the remedies that have been recommended by the homeopath. So it helps your body then take those on better and heal faster for whatever the condition is that is being treated. Lots of time people will ask if they'll experience detox symptoms like diarrhea, things like that. You won't experience any of that because it works on a very cellular level, so you won't experience diarrhea or anything like that. What I mean by one dose, one day, when you received all of your remedies or purchased all of your remedies and you have them all, you're going to take Camphora 200. You're going to dispense 5 pellets, because that's one dose, through the cap. Or you may have it from a different pharmacy. This is Broron. 5 pellets under the tongue, let it dissolve. Don't eat or drink anything unless it's water. Water's fine. 15 to 30 minutes before or after taking the remedy. Also, do not take any of the other remedies that were recommended by the homeopath that day. So that day number 1, you're gonna take Camphora, just that one dose, none of the other remedies, because it'll actually antidote those other remedies because it's doing that cellular kind of clean out. So it'll antidote those other remedies. So just that one dose, one day. Day 2 is when you then start those other recommended remedies by the homeopath and you do not take Camphora. Camphora won't really be taken anymore after that first dose. So it's not 100% necessary to the other remedies, but like I said, it just helps the body receive them faster and start moving along a little bit quicker, but not 100% necessary, but I do recommend it to almost every client that comes to me initially for that opening case. So that's how you take Camphora 200.